Monday morning, June 4th, at the TO, getting my knee fixed. We're at 11.
Coming up, Kelly will also give us some entertainment news.
Where's everybody going, Curtis?
I don't know. Here, well, we're here and we got the old pre-op done, and now we're just getting the hell out of Dodge. Underground parking. Gotta like it. Right handy. I won't have to limp very far. Open the gate, Clancy.
Oh, and you wouldn't want to take a...
Back out in the light of day. Cha-ching, cha-ching. We can't reach the thing.
How far?
I got no satellite yet. I'm thinking we gotta turn left or right though.
Okay.
Lord, I got no satellite. But here's the lovely hospitals. Very nice. Very nice people. But anyway, what the heck we got going on here? Oh, it's a moonlight taxi. Literally. Oh well, here we go. Bye-bye. Oh, funeral home right across the street. Nice and handy in case somebody doesn't make it. Okay, Linda's driving to Toronto for the very first time. Hold on to your hats. Driving around Toronto.
It's like driving in London.
Except for the London Red Rockets. Hi. Oh, look at Scooter. Come on. Hey, Scooter. Oh, bye-bye. Hello. That's pretty cool. Maybe we'll move here. So damn funny.
I don't think that's such a good idea.
You know, the public parking everywhere except for the day we really needed it.
Yeah, well, this is a little far from the hospital, darling.
Oh, no. Yeah, I haven't got...
I mean, with you and having your bum knee and all.
My bum?
Your bum knee.
Yeah. Look at every other place is a computer place.
Greg being his glory.
Computer, laptop, Canadian computer, Young Smoking Variety, Sushi World, Hewlett Packard. Huh. Oh, there's Spadina. Anyway, that was that. Oh, there's Popeyes. Want to go to Popeyes? Oh, thank you. But anyway, wasn't filming it, but we're in the Delta Chelsea parking garage. Cool. Gonna get a ticket. Ticket. Cha-ching.
More parking. Holy crap.
And we go 7 clicks in here, so watch it. No two-wheel drive.
Oh my god.
Boy, I don't know if my truck would have fit in here.
I don't think it would have. Fuck, brakes don't fail me now.
Wow, is this ever cool? Wait till we go
I
out.
don't like this.
That's why there's caution on the walls. Yeah, right on. I like it. This is cool.
You're driving out. You're driving back in again.
Why?
Because
It's awesome.
it scared me.
A little bit of four-wheeling going on.
Where in the hell am I supposed to park? How do we go into the motel?
Oh,
Good Lord.
here.
Parking, parking. Where do you want to go?
Well, I don't care. I'll go down this way. Well, we're going to search for a place to park. Bye-bye. Well, we made her. Here we are, kids. The Delta Chelsea. Pretty fancy. Well, we got our stuff here to tell us where to go and how to get there. Television. Little coffee central area. Nice desk. Phone, lamp, writing stuff. Sweet baby. And a balcony. Oh, ho, ho. We are on the 16th floor. Far out, man. Oh, there's a dude over there having a cigarette. There you go. Right there. It's out there on the having a smoke. Yeah. His buddy was just out there too. Yeah, there's his buddy hiding around the corner. Up there having a break, taking a smoke break. Look how high up they are. Cool. I don't know what these guys are building. Look like a swimming pool or something up on there. Toronto. Hello, Toronto. Break's over. Guys, get on. Pretty awesome. Pretty cool. Anyway, that was that. Bye-bye. Yeah, there's the old 6213 National, Canadian National. Sitting there in all her splendor downtown TO. Cool. Do-do-do-do. Probably. Wow. There's Rogers Center. Cool. Touristy. We're very touristy.